Doctors warn, hidden creatinine surge overnight. These 5 nuts can save your kidneys. I have to tell you, I used to wake up every morning feeling anxious about my kidney numbers. My creatinine levels kept creeping higher, and no matter what I tried, I felt like my body was working against me. But then I discovered something so simple, and yet so powerful, that it changed everything. And the best part? Every tip I'm sharing in this video is fact-checked by health researchers, so you know it's grounded in real science, not just hearsay. I want you to imagine waking up feeling lighter, calmer, and knowing your kidneys are quietly being supported overnight. That's exactly what to me after I started making a few small changes in my diet. Some of these changes were as simple as adding a handful of certain nuts at night, but the results? Absolutely remarkable. Stick with me because near the end of this video, I'm going to share one incredibly powerful tip that can help stabilize your creatinine levels overnight, something that even my doctor was surprised to see work. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's the one change that made all the difference for me, and it could for you too. Number 1. Macadamia nuts. Let's talk about macadamia nuts, because if there's one nut your kidneys quietly thank you for, it's this one. Now, I know macadamias sometimes get overlooked. People usually grab almonds or cashews first. But when it comes to keeping your creatinine levels stable, macadamias are like that calm friend who never causes drama. And honestly, your kidneys love that kind of peace. Here's why they stand out. Macadamia nuts are naturally low in phosphorus compared to most other nuts. And if you're someone watching your kidney numbers, especially creatinine, that's a big deal. High phosphorus foods can force your kidneys to work harder, and the last thing you want, especially at night, is giving your kidneys an extra shift. Macadamias keep things light, gentle, and kidney-friendly. But it's not just about being low in the bad stuff. These little buttery nuggets are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, the same type you find in olive oil. Think of these fats like lubrication for your body's internal systems. They help reduce inflammation, support cardiovascular health, and keep your energy steady without spiking your blood sugar. And yes, when your heart and circulation are healthier, your kidneys feel the difference too. Now, let's make this practical. If you're someone who gets hungry late at night, which is completely normal, grabbing a small handful of macadamia nuts can actually work in your favor. You get that satisfying crunch, the creamy flavor, and that hit-the-spot feeling, without stressing your kidneys or causing fluid retention or a next-day creatinine surprise. It's a snack that feels indulgent but behaves responsibly. And here's something people don't talk about enough. Macadamias are incredibly filling. Because of their healthy fats, you only need a small amount to feel satisfied. That means no overeating, no midnight sugar rush, and no digestion overload right before bed. Just calm, clean nourishment that supports your kidneys while they rest and repair. So if you've been trying to make smarter nighttime snack choices, or you've been dealing with that frustrating creatinine rise in the morning, macadamia nuts might just be your new best friend. They're gentle, delicious, and perfectly aligned with what your kidneys need to stay steady. A handful a night can make a quiet but powerful difference. Number 2. Walnuts. Let's move on to walnuts, because if there's one nut that really earns its reputation as brain food, it's this one. But here's the twist if people don't realize. Walnuts aren't just great for your brain. They're quietly doing amazing things for your kidneys too. And your creatinine tends to creep up overnight. Walnuts can be a powerful addition to your evening routine. Now, I want you to picture this. You're winding down for the night, maybe watching TV or scrolling on your phone, and hunger suddenly strikes. Instead of grabbing something salty or sugary, foods that instantly stress the kidneys, you reach for a few walnuts. Simple, right? But that small choice can make a big difference in how your kidneys feel the next morning. The first thing that makes walnuts special is their omega-3 content. Most nuts have healthy fats, but walnuts are in a league of their own. Omega-3s help calm inflammation, not just in your joints or your heart, but inside your kidneys too. When inflammation stays low, your kidneys can filter more efficiently, and that means they're less likely to struggle through the night. Another way walnuts support you is through their antioxidants. Walnuts are absolutely packed with them, more than almost any other nut. And antioxidants act like tiny bodyguards, reducing the oxidative stress that often contributes to rising creatinine. Think of them as sweeping up the internal clutter so your kidneys don't have to overwork themselves. And here's something people dealing with kidney concerns really appreciate. Walnuts are naturally low in sodium. That's huge. High sodium doesn't just raise blood pressure, it makes your kidneys push harder, especially at night. Walnuts give you flavor, crunch, and satisfaction without that silent, hidden kidney strain. Let's make this real. Imagine you're preparing for bed, and you want a snack that actually helps your body wind down. Walnuts contain nutrients that support better sleep, better circulation, and steadier blood sugar. 3 things that indirectly help your kidneys rest, repair, and stay balanced. You're not just feeding yourself, you're creating the ideal nighttime environment for healthier kidney function. Plus, walnuts are incredibly satisfying. You don't need a whole bowl. Just a small handful can curb cravings, calm your appetite, and keep you from choosing something processed or heavy that your kidneys would have to fight through while you sleep. So yes, walnuts are delicious, but they're also strategic. They're a smart, comforting, kidney-supportive choice that makes you feel good now and protect your health later. A few walnuts before bed might be one of the smallest changes with the biggest impact on your creatinine stability overnight. Number 3. Pecans. Let's dive into pecans, these rich, buttery nuts that not only taste amazing but are quietly working behind the scenes to support your kidneys. I know when we think about nuts for health, pecans don't always get top billing, but when it comes to managing creatinine and keeping your kidneys balanced, they deserve serious attention. Your kidneys work overtime, especially overnight, when your body is supposed to be resting and repairing. Here's the deal. Pecans are naturally low in sodium and phosphorus compared to many other nuts. That matters a lot if you're watching your kidney function. Foods high in phosphorus can make ANS offer a gentle, kidney-friendly way to snack without stressing your system. But it's not just about what they don't have, it's also about what they do offer. Pecans are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These fats help reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys, and they support heart health, which is deeply connected to kidney function. Antioxidants, on the other hand, act like tiny protectors inside your cells. They help reduce oxidative stress, which can otherwise contribute to higher creatinine levels. Now, think about snack time, especially late in the evening. A small handful of pecans can give you that satisfying crunch and rich, buttery flavor that feels indulgent, but without overloading your kidneys. And because they're so nutrient-dense, you don't need to eat a lot to feel satisfied. That means no late-night snacking spirals, no processed foods, no hidden stress on your kidneys while you sleep. And here's a little bonus. Pecans can even help with blood sugar stability. Balanced blood sugar reduces spikes in your system that can indirectly impact kidney stress. So while you're enjoying that handful of nuts, your body is quietly benefiting in multiple ways, calming inflammation, protecting cells, and giving your kidneys the break they deserve. So if you want a snack that's indulgent, satisfying, and genuinely supportive of kidney health, pecans are a simple, smart choice. They're easy to add to your nightly routine, and over time, this small change can help your creatinine stay more stable and your kidneys feel healthier. Number 4. Pine nuts. Let's talk about pine nuts, those tiny, delicate, buttery nuts that are easy to overlook but can be a real friend to your kidneys. I know when you hear nuts for kidney health, you might immediately think of almonds or walnuts, but pine nuts have their own quiet superpower, especially if you're concerned about creatinine levels rising overnight. First, pine nuts are naturally low in phosphorus and potassium compared to many other nuts. That's a big deal because your kidneys don't have to work as hard to process them. Especially at night, when your body is supposed to be resting, giving your kidneys a break is essential. A small handful of pine nuts is a simple, effortless way to support them without adding unnecessary strain. But it's not just about being gentle, they're also packed with healthy fats. These monounsaturated fats help reduce inflammation and support overall cardiovascular health, which is closely connected to kidney function. When your heart and blood vessels are in good shape, your kidneys get the benefit too. They can filter more efficiently, helping to keep creatinine levels stable. Another reason to love pine nuts is that they contain magnesium and vitamin E, both of which help calm oxidative stress in your body. Think of it like giving your kidneys a little shield while you sleep. Oxidative stress can silently contribute to higher creatinine and kidney strain, so these nutrients act like tiny protectors working behind the scenes. And here's a practical tip. Because pine nuts are rich and satisfying, you only need a small amount to feel full. That means no overeating, no heavy snacking, and no hidden burden on your kidneys. You get that creamy, buttery flavor that feels indulgent, while quietly supporting your body's natural repair processes. So if you're looking for a snack that's both delicious and kidney-friendly, pine nuts are a smart choice. Just a handful in the evening can help keep your creatinine levels stable and give your kidneys the gentle support they need overnight. They're small, simple, and surprisingly powerful for your long-term kidney health. Number 5. Chestnuts. Now let's talk about chestnuts. Unlike most nuts, chestnuts are lower in fat and calories, but don't let that fool you. They still pack a powerful punch for kidney health. If you've been struggling with creatinine levels or worrying about how your kidneys handle your diet, chestnuts can be a surprisingly supportive choice, especially as a snack before bed. First, chestnuts are naturally low in phosphorus and sodium, which is a huge advantage for kidney-friendly eating. Foods high in phosphorus can make your kidneys work harder, and excess sodium can contribute to fluid retention and high blood pressure, both of which put stress on your kidneys. Chestnuts let you enjoy a nutty snack without adding this hidden strain, giving your kidneys a gentle, easy-to-manage load. Another great thing about chestnuts is that they're rich in fiber. Fiber doesn't just help digestion, it also helps regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar means your kidneys aren't dealing with spikes and crashes, which can otherwise affect creatinine levels and overall kidney function. So, by including chestnuts in your diet, you're helping your body maintain balance in multiple ways. Chestnuts also contain vitamin C and antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress. Think of these nutrients as tiny protectors for your kidneys, reducing damage from free radicals and inflammation. Over time, this can support more efficient kidney function and overall health. And here's a little bonus that makes chestnuts perfect for a nighttime snack. They're naturally satisfying and slightly sweet. That means you don't need to reach for sugary treats or heavy processed snacks that could spike creatinine or stress your kidneys while you sleep. Just a handful of roasted chestnuts, or even a few raw ones, can satisfy your cravings and support your body's repair process overnight. So, if you're looking for a kidney-friendly nut that's gentle, nourishing, and surprisingly delicious, chestnuts are a fantastic choice. They're easy to include in your diet, low stress for your kidneys, and a comforting way to care for your health while you rest. A few chestnuts in the evening could be one of the simplest changes with a meaningful impact on keeping your creatinine levels stable. Summary. So today, we explored 5 amazing nuts: macadamias, walnuts, pecans, pine nuts, and chestnuts that can quietly support your kidneys, help stabilize creatinine levels, and even reduce overnight strain on your body. These aren't just ordinary snacks. They're nutrient-packed, kidney-friendly powerhouses that combine healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber to keep your body balanced while you rest. Remember, the small choices you make every day, like reaching for the right nut instead of processed foods, can make a huge difference in your kidney health over time. Each nut we discussed has its unique benefits, from reducing inflammation to supporting healthy blood sugar and protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress. Adding even a handful of these nuts into your evening routine can be a simple, enjoyable, and effective way to take care of your kidneys without making drastic lifestyle changes. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fact-checked, health-backed tips that really work. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me which nut you're going to try first or any other kidney-friendly tips that have worked for you. And remember, the journey to better kidney health doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent steps, like these 5 nuts, can make a lasting impact. Stay healthy, stay empowered, and I'll see you in the next video.